No matter how busy a person is, if they really care, they will always find the time for you. Time waits for no one, use it wisely. A lot of things could be fixed with a simple conversation, but everyone is too prideful. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. People will throw stones at you, don't throw them back, collect them and build an empire. People's today, internet, water. Time, energy and money never comes to all together. Young, adult, old. Never let others minimize your dreams. You have watched too many movies. You have a wild imagination. Be real, you will never get it. But what have happened in my life if I didn't listen to others and keep believing in myself? Direction is more important than speed. Many are going fast but in the wrong direction. Helping one person might not change the world, but it might change the world for one person. Life's today. Free book, free Wi-Fi. You will never reach your destination if you stop every time when somebody says something negative. Useless, idiot, you are worthless. Go to success. Complainer versus action taker. I will never be able to leave this island. I am leaving this island. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. All great achievements require time. We are too connected. Sometimes it's not the people who change, it is the mask that falls off. Sometimes you just have to pick yourself up and carry on. Nothing lasts forever, so when you have it, enjoy it and appreciate it. To enjoy the beauty of life, live in the moment, not in the future. Don't wait for the opportunity, create it. The world is changing very fast, 1980s, 2020. Media, gasoline powered by media, it's news. You often feel tired not because you have done too much, but because you have done too little of what spark a light in you. Imagination is everything. It is a preview of life's attraction. Sometimes the greatest cause of all your problems is only you. I am so lonely. You get what you give, so be careful what you're giving. The environment is stronger than you are. You will become who you are surrounded with. In the end, the only person you can rely on is yourself. Love the people who saw you when you were invisible to everyone else. The people don't know their true power. People will never truly understand something until it happened to them. If he is singing, it means he is happy. Help, help, help. Learn to say no to the things you really don't want on your mind. Having someone supportive is all we need. If you look at the people in your circle and don't get inspired, then you don't have a circle, you have a cage. The best time for new beginning is now. Your potential means nothing without taking action. You become what you feed your mind. Government. Readers see more. You lead not by your words but by example. How do you get your child to read books? Greed always makes you pay a certain price. You have an idea how you got sick watching the news. The harder the journey, the stronger you will become. Where do I find such a man? You stick with a guy who is starting up in life until he becomes successful. The early bird catches the worm. Very meaningful. Life is a journey, not a destination. Don't blame a clown for acting like a clown. Ask yourself why you keep going to the circus. Be like a seed, grow every day. When your life is going up and down, means you are alive. You are actually living your life. When your life is stable, it means you have stopped living. Don't focus on your weaknesses, focus on your strength. It will make you happy. I'm bad at painting, but I'm good at cooking. Sometimes equal distribution doesn't help anyone. How others see you is not important. How you see yourself means everything. Sometimes you realize too late what you are looking for is exactly what you just let go. The imagination is precious, don't lose it. Life is about changing and growing. You have changed. We are supposed to. To plant a tree is to believe in tomorrow. The rich don't work for money, the money work for them. Everything depends on way you see. Success is equals to write down all your fears and title it to-do list. What the media does to you. Too busy for improvements. Appreciate his sacrifices. This is not real education. Don't celebrate too early. Instead of saying I can't, you should ask how can I? Try to be different. Stop comparing yourself to others. When you want to give up, remember why you started. You are not repressed, you are distracted. Choice made in anger cannot be undone. Today they'll call you crazy, tomorrow they'll call you boss. Money is a tool, not the goal. Freedom is the goal, don't forget that. Work hard, have fun, and make history. One day your car will be more expensive than their lifetime income. Karma. What goes around comes around. Keep your circle positive, think good thoughts, speak good words, do good deeds. Please don't ever allow yourself to become the person on the left. If you try and fail, congratulations, most people don't even try. Every act of kindness will be returned to you one way or another. People lose because they want things fast. Life is long, keep patience, everything takes times. Never trust anyone blindly, sometimes it kills you. No matter how good you are, you can always be replaced. Even the weak become strong when they're united. Unity is power. Success is not always what you see. Don't let technology blind and consume you. Don't wait for the opportunity, create it. Be careful with your words. Today's society. Don't dig a hole so deep that you can't even get out of it. Sad reality. You can't experience success without first experiencing failure. Never lose an opportunity because you love to sleep. So much of our happiness depends on how we choose to look at the world. Thanks for watching. Comment down your favorite quote in the comment section.